school children last week, giving a speech.
She acts like it's live or something, doesn't she?
Get our message to the American people and convey that to the voters. You know what? Consider a number of options in that regard, and I'm sure the Sunday shows are one of them.
Oh, that's sweet.
I know that school children were always happy to see him, but I want to make sure that he knows that we would be happy.
Carry that back to Boston.
Thanks to both of you for being here today. I think we started outlines of what this campaign is going to be back, and we'll be back in 1 minute with Senator Richard Lugar.
Freaks her out when it's squeezed.
Want to spend less and return more? Then don't get nickel and dimed by high-cost investments.
Whenever she's used it again, she'll go right at it.
Easy-to-use online tools and experienced retirement specialists can help you build a personalized plan. And with our no annual fee IRAs and a wide range of low-cost
She acts like it's alive or something, doesn't
execute
she?
the plan you want at a low cost. So meet
Tears it down, but
eTrade.com for a great retirement plan with low-cost investments.
Hey, did you ever finish last month's invoices?
Sadly, no, but I did pick up your dry cleaning and add your shoe shine.
Well, I made you a reservation at the sushi place around the corner.
Well, in that case, I'm going to get back to these invoices, which I'll do right after making your favorite pancakes.
You know what? I'm going to tidy up your side of the office.
I can't hear you because I'm also making you a smoothie.
Marriott Hotels and Resorts knows it's better for Xerox to automate their global invoice process so they can focus on serving their customers. With Xerox,
she didn't know where she was.
Where'd he go?
Where'd he go?
Go.
Alright.
Right there. Right here.
See, kids.